everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be talking about cloud computing security in the practice of protecting data and applications hosted in the cloud. It is important to note that cloud computing security is a shared responsibility between the cloud provider and the customer. There are a number of security risks associated with cloud computing, including data breaches. Data breaches can occur when unauthorized individuals gain access to data stored in the cloud. This can happen through hacking, malware, infections, or human error. Denial of service attacks. Denial of service attacks can occur when attackers prevent legitimate users from accessing data stored in the cloud. This can be done by flooding the cloud with traffic or by exploiting vulnerabilities in the cloud infrastructure. Compliance violation. Organizations that store sensitive data in the cloud need to comply with relevant industry regulations and standards. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in fines and other penalties. Security features in cloud computing. Cloud providers offer a variety of security features to protect data and applications stored in the cloud. Encryption. Encryption protects data from unauthorized access by encrypting it before it is uploaded to the cloud. Access control. Access control allows organizations to control who has access to data and applications stored in the cloud. Data loss prevention. DLP prevents data from being lost or stolen. Auditing. Auditing allows organizations to track who has access to data and applications stored in cloud and what they have done with it. How to choose a secure cloud provider. When choosing a cloud provider, it is important to consider the following security factors. Security features. Make sure that the provider offers strong security features such as encryption, access control, DLP, and auditing. Compliance. Make sure that the provider complies with the relevant industry regulations and standards. Reputation. Choose a provider with a good reputation of security and reliability. How to use cloud computing securely. In addition to choosing a secure cloud provider, there are a number of things you can do to use cloud computing securely. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication for all of your cloud accounts. This will help to protect your accounts from unauthorized access. Encrypt your data before uploading it to the cloud. Encrypt your data before uploading it to the cloud. This will help to protect your data from unauthorized access even if it is intercepted. Be careful about what data you share. Be careful about what data you share with your cloud provider. Only share the data you need to share. Regularly backup your data to a local storage service. Regularly backup your data to a local storage service device in case of the data breach or other disaster. Monitor your cloud storage usage. Monitor your cloud storage usage for suspicious activity. This will help you to identify security breaches early on. That's all for today. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.